This soup is often served in Chinese restaurants with Peking duck. I'll show you my noodle soup with caramelized duck version. Start by making the broth. Cut 3 ginger slices, 1 onion in half, also 1 head of garlic in half. You can quietly prepare the chicken broth the day before. In a saucepan, put 1 chicken so it will be cooked for another meal. You can also use 1 kg of chicken carcass. Add the ginger slices, the onion and garlic, 1 shiitake mushroom, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 3 liters of water. Put a lid on and bring to a boil. When the broth begins to boil, turn to low heat and let simmer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then take out the chicken or the carcasses. Remove the fat on the surface. Now the clear broth is ready. For the caramelized duck, prepare 5 slices of ginger. Cut 100 grams of shallots and 1 head of garlic in half. We will need 7 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of crushed black peppercorns. For the seasoning sauce, combine 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. In a saucepan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 50 grams of sugar. Spread it a little and let it caramelize. When the caramel begins to color, stir a little to harmonize the cooking. When some bubbles form like this, turn to low heat and put the duck legs, skin side down. Move them to prevent the caramel underneath from burning. Then turn to medium heat and let sear for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Flip them and leave another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Add the aromatics and spices, the seasoning sauce, and 80 centiliters of water. Put the lid on and let simmer over medium-low heat for 1 hour and 10 minutes. During this time, mince 5 grams of cilantro and 2 green onions. Cut 200 grams of bok choy like this. Wash them. To prepare the fried garlic, chop 30 grams of garlic. Put 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a small skillet over medium-low heat. When the oil is hot, add the minced garlic. Regularly stir. As soon as it gets a light golden color, turn off the heat and continue stirring for 20 seconds. Then pour it into a bowl. For the noodles, you can use either 400 grams of fresh noodles or 300 grams of dehydrated noodles. The cooking time is indicated on the packaging. While cooking the duck legs, flip them twice. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, take out the duck legs and let them cool for 10 minutes. Protect your work surface with papers. Cut the duck legs into larger chunks. Be careful. Blanch the bok choy in the broth for 1 minute. Cook the dehydrated noodles here for 3 minutes on high heat. Untangle them as soon as possible. Drain them. Put a portion in each bowl. Add some bok choy, the duck, the boiling broth, one teaspoon of fried garlic, a little cilantro and green onion. The duck noodle soup is ready. Bon appétit! The duck flesh is tender. The broth is delicious. Don't wait to enjoy the soup, because over time, the noodles swell and become too soft. Keep the cooking juice from the duck to cook some other meats, or pour some over rice or noodles. It is delicious. You can also keep it in the freezer. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.